This is the FEMA Substantial Damage Estimator Training Series. Welcome to Module 8, Field Inspections. When parking at a structure, avoid obstructing the driveway if possible. Before exiting the vehicle, make sure you are wearing the required PPE, including a safety vest, and be sure that your badge is visible. Knock on the door and wait for the homeowner to answer. If the homeowner is home, introduce yourselves, including your title, and briefly explain the purpose of your visit. Offer a letter of introduction if one is available. Make sure the homeowner understands that you are only collecting data and not estimating a final damage percentage. Ask the homeowner what damages were incurred. Look for visible evidence to support the homeowner's claims and ask them to show you any visible evidence that still remains, such as a high water mark, moisture damage, or structural damage. Record what you observe and try to avoid lengthy conversations with the homeowners. If the homeowner is not home, do not enter the structure. Perform the assessment from the exterior, recording any visible damages observed. When taking photos of the structure, include as much of the structure as possible. The structure should be easily identified from the photos. Each photo should contain a whiteboard with the following information: address that matches the structure in the photos, the current date, and team or inspector's name. Make sure the text is legible in all photos and that the whiteboard is not obstructing anything in the photos. Capture any unique damages you observe, especially if they are not consistent with damages incurred by adjacent structures. If flood damage occurred, the most important observation to record is the high water mark. Often these assessments are carried out months after a large-scale flood event, and high water marks may not be visible. Be sure to check auxiliary structures and fences. These often aren't cleaned post-flood and may still have a visible high water mark or seed line. Screen doors, air-conditioned compressors, window screens, and door jambs often have visible high water marks when the exterior of the home may not. A few useful tips for inspecting a flooded structure include: a structure's electrical system typically does not receive damage if flooding is less than 18 inches above the finished first floor. Roof, superstructure, and foundation damage is determined by visible damage. The elements could be completely submerged and sustain no damage. The final damage percentage for the structure should seem reasonable. Discuss this value with your partner, but not within listening range of any of the homeowners or neighbors. If the final damage percentage falls within the 40 to 60% range, double-check your values and discuss with your partner. In order to minimize data collection errors and ensure quality, be sure to complete the assessment before leaving the structure. Make sure the address on the whiteboard in the photo matches the address on the structure, as well as the address in the SDE record. If you believe the assessment is complete and click Save, the SDE tool should not display any yellow or red errors. If it does, address these so the assessment is valid and complete. Once your assessment is complete, thank the homeowner for their time and continue to the next structure. Thanks for watching. This module is one of a 10-part series. Please continue to Module 9.